Today, we're going to show you how to go from this to this, just like that.
Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things, so come and join me.
Begin by using a sharp knife and slice your onion in half. Cut off the one end, but make sure you leave the end with the roots growing out. That's very important. Now peel your onion. There's natural ribs on the outside of the onion. You can use those as a guide for a straight slice through the onion. You can slice it as thin or thick as you like. Do you notice how he's not cutting all the way to the very end? He's cutting mostly to the end. See how that holds it together? That's why it's important to leave the rooted end on. Now you dice your onion. Notice how he's sliding into it. He's not chopping. There's your diced onion.
Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope the little dicing trick helps you in your kitchen. God bless. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.